Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share with you my dewy everyday no makeup look. I'm gonna start with skincare and first I'm taking this 100% pure tea tree oil. I just use a very small amount of this and just gently dab it onto my spot. It's gonna kill the bacteria, disinfect the pores and get rid of the blemishes. Next I'm gonna spritz my face with the Badescu Facial spray with aloe, herbs and rose water. It's a very refreshing and hydrating mist and it smells amazing. While my skin is still damp from the mist, I'm gonna use a few drops of hyaluronic acid and just pat it into my skin. This is from the Ordinary and it's very lightweight and hydrating serum. The reason I'm using it on a damp skin is because hyaluronic acid attracts up to 1000 times its weight in water. So if it doesn't get any moisture from your environment, it's gonna actually take it from your skin, which gonna make your skin very dry. Next I'm gonna use the Vitamin E Intense Moisture Serum from the Body Shop. One pump of this is enough for the whole face. My skin is very dehydrated and this helps to lock in the moisture and it leaves my skin very smooth and soft. Next I'm gonna apply moisturizer, which is the Aloe Soothing Night Cream from the Body Shop. The reason I'm using this as my day cream is because it's very rich, perfect for the winter season. It's not gonna let my skin dry out or get irritated and red. On the top of that, I'm gonna use the Ordinary 100% organic cold pressed rosehip seed oil. Ooh, has a long name. I'm taking about 3 drops and just warm it up in my hands. It's rich in vitamins and antioxidants, helps to calm redness, hydrate and brighten your skin as well. At last but not least, I'm gonna use the Vitamin E lip balm from the Body Shop. First, I'm gonna use the new Makeup Revolution foundation stick in F10 to bronze and warm up my face a little bit. I'm gonna use just a little bit with the Zoeva 102 brush and just apply it around my face contour. Although this is a full coverage foundation, if you're using it light-handed, it can give you a beautiful lightweight skin-like finish. Normally I would use my bronzer after foundation, but because I'm not gonna use that much foundation today, I found it looks more natural this way. Then I'm taking the shade F2 and with a damp Real Technique sponge I'm gonna lightly apply it on my skin. I think this foundation's definitely worth the hype. I love that it's dewy, it doesn't cling to my dry patches and it covers my pores and the redness on my skin very well. To conceal my spot, I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution concealer in C2. To highlight the inner corners of my eyes, I'm just gonna apply 2 dots and blend it in with my fingertips. I'm just gonna go back with the shade F10 and just reapply the bronzer where I feel I need it. I'm not gonna use any eyeshadow for this look, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that bronzer with my fingertips. I'm just gonna use a little bit of powder around my eyes. But first I just make sure that the foundation doesn't sit in my lines. To stick with the glowy products, I'm taking this cream blush from MAC called Relaxation. This is very pigmented, so I'm just taking a little bit and I warm it up with my fingers. This is gonna give you a glowy, healthy looking rosy cheeks. Next, as my highlighter, I'm gonna apply the MAC Cream Color Base in Pearl. This has a lovely golden undertone and it doesn't have any shimmers in it, which is perfect if you want to achieve a natural, healthy looking glow. To fill in my brows, I'm gonna take this matte brown eyeshadow from MUA Cosmetics called Chestnut. I'm not very precise with this. I'm just following the natural shape of my brow and just filling in the gaps where it's needed. To mimic some hair in the front, I'm taking the MAC Brow Pencil in Spiked. Then I'm taking a baby soap and spritz it with facial spray. Then I'm gently going over it with a spoolie and set my brow hairs in place. I'm taking a little bit of that blush on my fingertips and just apply it under my brow bone, just to add a little bit of color to your eyes, and I think it goes well with the cheeks. I'm taking the same matte brown eyeshadow which I used on my brows, and I'm just gonna lightly line my eyes. Next I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply a little bit of mascara. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more of that blush, because it just melted into my skin a little. To contour my lips, I'm using the Essence Cosmetics Lip Liner in Girl Next Door. To fill them in, I'm using another lip liner from Essence Cosmetics in Satin Mauve. This color is like my lips, but better. And as a final touch, I'm applying my lip balm over it to make it look more natural. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It's very minimal, dewy, natural makeup look. I think it's perfect when you don't want to do a lot, but you still want to look presentable. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye!